What's going on, everybody? Jonathan Ray here from PASSIONBUILT. Today's video is a little different. Unlike my usual videos where I'm doing DIYs and helpful how-tos, I'm going to be showing you guys my new shop. It's very exciting because I have been crammed in a little 10 by 20, 200 square foot unit for the past, I think, 2 years now, and I'm finally in a 600 square foot facility. This is a 20 by 30, I believe. It's a lot bigger. As you can see, I have so much more room for activities in here. So basically, with this new shop, before I get started with this, I want to go over a back view of what the shop was originally intended for. Now, when I first moved into my 10 by 20, it was basically just to have a shop to build my Miata because I live in a townhouse complex and we do not have a garage over there, so that seemed like the best option at that point. I then started Moto Parts Source about the beginning of this year, and I quickly started realizing that that was no longer going to be a unit for my Miata, and ended up using it more for parting out motorcycles, and my inventory shelves basically overran my entire shop, and I had no more room to even work on anybody's car, my own cars, let alone even part out these bikes anymore. So finally had the opportunity to get into a unit like this, so I jumped on it the second I could. Now, what does this unit mean for the future of this channel? It means more motorsport related content, more DIYs, more how-tos, more moto, more Miata. I know I have been slacking on the Miata content. I literally started this channel with my Mazda Miata and never made another video since. So definitely got to bring her back to the channel. And I can also fit my Trailblazer in here. It's pretty great that I can fit a full-size SUV in here and not have any issues. So this is it. Just want to let you guys know I'm very thankful and very excited about this opportunity to be able to be in this shop, and hopefully in the future we can get to a bigger facility. But for right now, I am just super stoked about this. So let's give you guys a little shop tour. Alrighty, so to give you guys a proper shop tour, we're going to start our way from the outside and work our way in. So starting off with the main entrance from the outside, we start walking in. The first thing that you notice is that on the other side of the shop is another full-size roll-up door, which it is the best thing about this facility. On windy days or any days when there's the slightest breeze, it makes the world of a difference from this shop being 100,000 degrees to being like 95 degrees. So that is the best thing about this shop. Moving on. First thing when you walk into the shop, you see on the right-hand side, got my inventory rack set up. As you can see, they're already kind of full, so you guys, shameless plug, motopartsource.com, your online source for high quality used parts for your first and second generation Suzuki SV650. Also, we're going to be dipping our toes into the GSX-R models coming soon. Stay tuned for that. Anyway, continuing on with the shop tour, got a toolbox area, oil drain area, motorcycle stands, and a dedicated photo booth. I am super proud of this setup. Love it. Got the nice lights. All of the parts that you see on my website are taken on this booth right here. And yeah, so moving forward, right here on this side right here, we have basically where all my parts bikes are going to be going. This right here is not a parts bike, by the way. That is my personal SV. This right here is an upcoming part out, and eventually when, you know, I take my SV home, if I want to swap it out for the Miata in the driveway, the Miata will fit here perfectly as well. Drift spares for the Miata, cleaning station bits, and my workbench. And as always, you know, we got to have a mini fridge with all the goodies in here. So anyway, guys, that is it. Not really too much of a shop tour for you. It's literally just a 600 square foot facility, and it's all just one room, but I'm proud of it. I'm super hyped. I can't wait for the future of my business to grow, and I really hope it continues to grow. I've been pushing this shit super hard since this pandemic started. And yeah, like I said, guys, www.motopartsource.com, your online source for high quality used parts. Keep local small business in business. Anyway, guys, that's all I got for you today. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Also, subscribe to the channel. I just hit 200 subscribers, and I'm on my way to 1,000. It's what I'm working towards, so please hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for future updates. Like I said, more moto content, more Miata content, more Trailblazer content, more motorsport in general related content. So, as always, thanks for watching my videos. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.